Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making peach and custard cake, which is keket choche. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients for the peach custard cake. You will need a regular vanilla cake mix in a box with 1 cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. For the custard, you will need a jell-o vanilla pudding or custard with 2 cups of cold milk. And for the topping, you will need some Cool Whip and you will need 6 peaches. And this is how your peach and custard cake should look like. Serve it to your guests for an after dinner dessert and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!